Hi guys, I'm putting the rice, milk, honey, and aloe vera. I mix and then I grind for grinder. Then I leave this like 1 hour. It's depend on you to remove the wrinkles and some of our skin. Like I don't know what kind of the like the small spot and remove the wrinkles also, the anti-wrinkles, because this rice is good. So this is I make it for myself. I don't have money to go and salute for all the time facial or whatever they will make it for the face, because I didn't have budget, so I make it homemade. This is good. It's been long time. So my age, like I'm 44. I don't have wrinkles actually. If you see me in the personal. So just this is what I care, skincare, like homemade to myself. And of course, you have 8 hours or 7 hours sleep for not looking old at the same time, same my age actually. I do it this one like 3 times a week, not every day. My routine is in the morning I put the ice, then rose water like skin oil. Instead I'm putting the skin oil rose water with the gloves, and after sun protection only. That's my routine every day. Then at night time I put some like turmeric, yogurt, lemon, honey. That's it. Then this one is 3 times a week. And that turmeric, honey, lemon, and also put a little milk. It's depend on powder or liquid. Mix it and